who we're playing against, right?
Oh my goodness. She's still standing. You didn't have never played pool.
All right, all right.
There's Cloud right down the street on the left. Fish and chips.
It was good. I had a Reuben.
This guy, he's been here before.
No, I've never been here.
He has to have been here.
I've
He's
seen it before.
holes in one.
I've been to this marina many times and I wanted to play here, but I never have played here. I didn't have anybody to play with.
So he brings us and he beats us by a lot. Early the next morning, we continued pushing hard southbound down the ICW. After about 10 hours, we decided to pull off into the Titusville 3 anchorage.
What are you doing over here?
Oh, man.
I figured I might as well make some YouTube content for you.
Yes, sir.
That little box is super hard to see.
Yeah.
I didn't see it until after you told me, and that was after I ran aground.
Ah.
What I think we should try is take this halyard and go to my beam and just go towards the bridge on my beam and try to heel me over, and if I can motor forward 2 boat lengths, I'm back in 8 feet of water because my chart says 8 feet.
Okay. And you're rocking.
So what happened here, guys, is we have a north wind tonight, and Validated and I were gonna go through this bridge and turn towards the east, which is to the right of this picture, and anchor behind a jetty. And soon then something was up when a barge was out there putting down concrete pilings. Fred's going in with the anchor. Anchor's away.
The next morning brought us strong northeasterly winds that we were able to use to actually sail down the ICW. We love it when we're able to turn off the engine and save our diesel. 18 knots on the port quarter pushed us right along at 6.5 to 7 knots. There's our buddy Avamar, right next to a rainbow. It's a good thing we enjoyed the rainbows and sunshine that evening, because the next day would bring rain and high winds right on the nose as we continued to push south to Stewart. And finally, Stewart. So I'm almost finished with one of my videos here, and I had to explain to my baby about how to be a creator. Oh, ignore these glasses. Yeah.
Old man glasses.
No, I'm talking about these. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they have no influence.
Because we're in here enjoying the Bills beating the Lions. And I'm creating. And I'm trying to tell her how to be a creator. Look, so baby, what you have to do is you just have to find you. You gotta, you gotta figure out you and just let it shine. And that's how you be a creator.
Creator.
That's
That's how you be a creator.
The NFL on CBS is sponsored by...
Whenever it rains a lot, one of the things you have to do is empty the water out of the dinghy. No biggie though. I guess it would be equivalent to cleaning snow off of your car. We spent about a week in Stewart, taking the time to get up with old friends and prepare the boat for offshore. Boat freezers use a lot of energy when they have to work hard to freeze things. So, Faye was nice enough to freeze our meats for us so that our boat freezer would not have to work so hard. My preparation for offshore often includes a few hours of fuel polishing. I had also been having this problem with salty seawater leaking into the engine compartment. This was something that I definitely wanted to fix before leaving the country. The company that makes the model that I have was within driving distance, so I just drove down and picked up a new one. The last order of business in Stewart was to pick up a spare mainsail from Mac Yacht Services. All right, back on the ocean. You ready?
I'm ready. Another early and somehow cold morning.
Sous les lumières opales d'un port argentin, un jeune marin chante ses rêves lointains. Il vient d'Espagne, l'âme pleine d'espoir, et croise son destin un soir de hasard. Elle est là, frêle aux lèvres d'argent, petite marchande au sourire troublant. Dans ses mains les cigarettes fragiles fumantes, et dans son regard une étoile vacillante. Oh, tango de la mer et de l'amour perdu, dansent les vagues et les adieux imprévus. Le marin et la fille, deux âmes liées par un souffle de vie bientôt emporté. Ils se parlent doucement sous un ciel éclaté, partageant des rêves qu'ils n'ont jamais touchés. Elle veut des bateaux, des voyages sans fin, lui promet des rivages aux trésors clandestins. Mais la mer est jalouse, elle appelle son marin, et la fille lui tendue des cigarettes un matin. Emporte mon souffle, qu'il devienne le tien, et rappelle-toi de moi quand le vent fait son chemin. Oh, tango de la mer et de l'amour perdu, dansent les vagues et les adieux imprévus. Le marin et la fille, deux âmes liées par un souffle de vie bientôt emporté. Les années ont passé dans un port oublié. Un marin descend, le cœur tout abîmé. Dans le vent, il croit sentir une voix familière, le parfum des cigarettes flottant dans la lumière. Mais la marchande n'est plus seulement un écho d'un amour consumé comme un dernier mégot. Et sous la lune d'argent, il danse solitaire, un tango de cendres, un souvenir éphémère. Oh, oh, tango de la mer et de l'amour perdu, dansent les vagues et les adieux imprévus. Le marin et la fille, leur cœur dispersé comme des fumées légères par le vent balayé. Des années ont passé dans un port oublié. Un marin descend, le cœur tout abîmé. Dans le vent, il croit sentir une voix familière, le parfum des cigarettes flottant dans la lumière. Dès la marchande n'est plus seulement un écho d'un amour consumé comme un dernier mégot. Et sous la lune d'argent, il danse solitaire, un tango de cendres, un souvenir éphémère.
All the shopping, all the maintenance, all the planning was done. Only thing left to do was to get on the ocean heading east. We were now doing something very new. All of the training and all of the challenges brought us to this point. We were in this moment sailing ourselves to a place where most people pay cruise ships to take them. Baby, land ho!
Land ho?
Yeah, look. If you look out there, you can see land. Well, I mean, we still got an hour or something, know, hour and some change, but at least we can see land. Somewhere over there is the Bahamas.
Exactly between them. And he
you get 4 boats in there.
And I said, you put 30 fucking more boats in this harbor. I'll wait for you. Don't go up there. If you can find a place here, do it here.
Customs and immigration were closing early because it was Christmas Eve, so we had to hurry. The day after Christmas, we headed south down the island chain, with no real destination in mind at the time. When the weather got worse, we just stopped and dropped anchor. And you can tell that it's windy when the snubber and the chain are coming up out of the water. We were in that anchorage for 2 days waiting for the weather to pass, so I worked my magic on some gluten-free pancakes for Susie and buttermilk pancakes for me. French pressed coffee and almond creamer doesn't get much better than this. I topped mine with organic maple syrup and runny yolk. Susie made a homemade spread out of kiwi fruit. On the way out of Bimini, I discovered that the DC to DC charger wasn't working. Sitting in this anchorage allowed me time to troubleshoot it correctly. The DC to DC charger was fried. I mean, done. So the plan now was to get to Nassau, Susie get on a plane, fly to Florida, get a new one, and come back. That would be cheaper and quicker than trying to source one here in the Bahamas. And these are our buddy boats that we left Florida with, Marisol and Paquita. These guys are cool, and I would follow them across any ocean. The only issue is, it's hard to follow boats that you're faster than. I'm just kidding, guys. They're my buddies and they know I'm just playing. On her way back to Florida.
Hi, Nassau. Bye, Nassau.
That's right. Hi, Nassau. Bye, Nassau.
I'll be back soon.
Hopefully within 24 hours.
Yeah.
While Susie was on her way back to Florida, we all went diving and wound up catching dinner. Tim and Chris Lita, they brought lamb.
Oh, look at this, brother.
Oh, that's what he caught today. Yes. We went diving and he caught that.
This goes over there.
Fresh catch and a phenomenal sunset. Things are looking better. Early in the morning on New Year's Eve, we pulled around to Lyford Key Marina to get fuel and water. For the good of public safety, I had to show y'all this. If y'all buy these stupid cans from Walmart, please know that it's probably going to let you down. And if you have no room in your life for a leaky gasoline can, be careful with these. Lucky for me, I carry extra O-rings. I think this is her. She flew in to Florida to get a part for me. Oh, maybe that's not her. Oh, sorry. I think that's her. Yeah, right.
I tell her you better be here because I'm not leaving her in the dark.
Appreciate you.
No problem.
You taping this?
I am.
Oh, goodness.
Hey, welcome back, baby.
Yes.
Guys,
Cheers, cheers, toast.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Woo. Oh, sorry.
You know how I know you're not my real dad? Because I am.
Mira, it's true.
Ah.
So much. Oh, one more. Excellent. I don't know what it is now.
Susie Q and I left DC on November 15th and have been pushing so hard to get to this point. Now we are happy to wish you all the best 2025 from the Bahamas. Please like, subscribe, and share.